How can anyone build software in 2026? Vibe coding. Apps are being built faster than ever. Fitness tracker. Medical chatbot. None of it coded by hand, just described in plain English. You too can build apps with vibe coding. What is vibe coding? Traditional coding took time. Every line written by hand, reading docs for every feature. Then the errors. Stuck for hours fixing errors, and still no fix. A real app took months, sometimes a year. But with vibe coding, no reading syntax, no copying code, no reading documentation. All of it gone. You describe what you want, and LLM does all the coding for you. What is an LLM? LM, large language model. A program trained on enormous amounts of text until it learned how language works. The logic behind Claude and ChatGPT. It predicts what comes next. I'll call you when I get home. Sorry, I'm running a little late. So the LLM learned to code from a huge amount of publicly available code. Millions of real projects. Every common bug in the fix that followed. Every pattern written 1,000 different ways. Write a function that adds 2 numbers. Code is just patterns and rules. And that's exactly what an LLM is built to predict. But predicting code was just the start. Then it learned to write and fix real code. Write the code. Run it. Read what broke. Fix it and run it again. Not just knowing code. Building with it. You describe the goal. It writes, it runs, it corrects. Your job is to say what you want to build, and the LLM builds it for you. You say, make a button that turns green when I click it. Behind the scenes. Creates a file. Writes the button. Adds the styling. Adds the click behavior. Runs it and checks. Shows you the result. Don't like it? You say, make it bigger and blue. Repeat until it's exactly right. How to vibe code. You vibe code with tools like Claude or ChatGPT, either in the browser or in the terminal. In the browser, you describe what you want. It writes the code. You copy it into your editor. You run it yourself. You're the one moving everything. In the terminal, Claude Code runs on your machine, inside your project folder. Creates the files, writes the code, runs it. You never copy anything. Browser hands you code. Terminal builds the thing. Browsers are good for short copy pasting of code. Terminals are good for building full apps. When to vibe code? Beginners. You don't know how to code. You can start today. Build something real in your first hour. And watch it happen live. Prototypes and MVPs. You have an idea. Build it now. Test it now. Find out if it's any good before you commit. Speed. You don't have time. Hackathons, weekend projects. A demo tomorrow. Fast beats perfect. When you shouldn't vibe code. The moment it goes live, real users, real data, real money. You need to know what's under the hood. You can't fix what you can't read. You can't secure what you never looked at. So here's how to actually do it. Build. Get it working. Understand. Ask it to explain what it wrote. Improve. Now you're in control. Vibe coding is a great skill, depending on how you use it. Learn the fundamentals while building, not before. I am creating a full series on teaching how to vibe code. Follow along and build your first app, even if you're a beginner. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.